Hello guys, it's me Abraham, and today I'm gonna talk about the syntax in Python. Actually, the syntax can be executed by writing directly in the command line, and also the syntax can be assigned text, numbers, because it's part of variable. This variable can be translated as value. In this video, I'm gonna show you some examples about the syntax with pycharm. Okay, to create a folder, we have to select in our project. Okay, new Python file, and you can assign any name, Abraham.py. Remember that you have to add .py. Enter. Now it's gonna show you a new tab. To show any results, you have to click in this icon, run, and it's gonna appear a new screen below that. So I'm gonna show you about the syntax. First, the syntax only with text and numbers, and after that with variables and values. Okay, so we're going to start with the text. To assign a syntax, you have to place print plus parentheses and plus double quotes. In this case, I'm going to type hello Abraham. Okay, I'm going to click in this icon to run, and it showed the text. Other example, print. Now it's gonna show hello Abraham for syntax, and the next syntax hello friends. To assign variables with values. About the variables, so you can assign any variables with any values. So let me show you. To place a variable, you can make it with letters or numbers. In this case, I'm gonna make with letters. A equal double quote, and the values are gonna be the names. For example, Abraham, A, B equal double quote. Now show those variables and values. We're gonna type the same syntax. In this case, the syntax print, plus parentheses, and we got those variables. In this case, only you have to put that letter because it is not a text. A. Now it's gonna show my name. I'm gonna change other variable to show the value. D. Now Michael. Next example, print B, D. Now Charles and Michael. Now I'm gonna use those variables with different values. In this case, I'm gonna use the value with fruits. Now A, B equal double quote banana, strawberry. Now to print A. Now next example, D, strawberry, B. Once again, we have to click this icon. Now it's gonna show you strawberry, banana, and melon. Well, guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you can enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel in Vida en Español con Abraham, and please share this video to your friends. Thank you so much, and see ya.